Hey everyone, welcome back to Gearhead Central. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Honda N-Box, one of the most popular K-cars in Japan, now redesigned for a more modern and practical appeal. At first glance, the new N-Box immediately catches your eye with its boxy yet refined design. Honda has kept its signature tall roofline, which maximizes interior space while giving it a distinct urban-friendly look. The front fascia features a sleek grille flanked by sharp LED headlights, giving it a slightly more aggressive presence compared to its previous generation. The smooth, clean lines along the body make it feel contemporary, while subtle chrome accents elevate the overall aesthetic without going over the top. Compact dimensions make it perfect for city driving, parking in tight spots, and maneuvering through crowded streets, which is exactly what a K-car is built for. Under the hood, the 2026 N-Box continues Honda's focus on efficiency and practicality. It comes with a turbocharged 660 cubic centimeters 3-cylinder engine, paired with a CVT automatic transmission. While the power numbers aren't designed to excite sports car enthusiasts, the N-Box delivers responsive acceleration for city commutes and highway driving. Fuel efficiency remains impressive, with Honda claiming numbers that are perfect for daily urban use, reducing both trips to the gas station and running costs. The car also comes with Honda Z-HEV hybrid system and select trims, providing a smoother and more eco-friendly driving experience. Steering is light and precise, making tight corners and narrow streets a breeze, and the suspension has been tuned to balance comfort with stability, absorbing bumps without making the ride feel harsh. Inside, the 2026 N-Box feels surprisingly spacious thanks to its tall, boxy silhouette. Honda has made smart use of vertical space, giving passengers plenty of headroom and a surprisingly generous amount of legroom. The dashboard features a clean, minimalistic design with intuitive controls, a touchscreen infotainment system, and connectivity options such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Practicality is at the forefront, with numerous storage compartments, cup holders, and clever design touches that make everyday life easier. The seats are comfortable for long drives, and the rear seats can slide, recline, or fold flat to create a flexible cargo area. When it comes to unique features, the N-Box stands out in several ways. Honda's safety suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation braking, comes standard, making it one of the safest K-cars on the market. The sliding rear doors on both sides enhance accessibility in tight parking spaces, while the smart key and push-button start add convenience. There's also a range of customization options for exterior colors and interior trims, allowing owners to personalize their ride without much effort. Overall, the 2026 Honda N-Box successfully combines practicality, style, and efficiency in a compact package. It's designed for city dwellers who value convenience, comfort, and smart technology. Whether you're navigating narrow streets, running errands, or enjoying a weekend trip, the N-Box makes every journey easier and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.